next level Claude skills right here, posted on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Oh, it's so good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to generate images, videos, and publish right on social media directly from the app. Let's get right into it. First, head on over to PayMeGPT and sign in or sign up, and then head over to the settings page. We're going to go to integrations, and here you're going to be able to integrate with your favorite AI services like OpenAI and 11 Labs. After you've connected to any and all services that you'd like, click over to Advanced Integrations and click on the MCP section. Here we're going to have the MCP server URL. You are going to copy this URL and then head right on over to Claude. Let's click on the profile avatar in the bottom left, click Settings, Connectors, add a custom connector. We'll call this PayMeGPT and paste in that URL we just copied. So now you have access to all of the 75 tools. Now let's start a new chat and see if it's working. We want you to generate one image using Gemini. Going to be a meme style image about now Claude can generate images. Funny enough. So let's see if this is going to work. Claude is loading the tools and he's going with the generate image tool. And interestingly, we can actually see the prompt that Claude came up with, which I always read and I always think it's so interesting. And here we go. Here is our meme. We can view it now. The vibe, Claude is being asked to generate images, but secretly outsourcing to Gemini behind the scenes. Let's check that out. Okay, Claude, when asked to generate images, uses Gemini. Oh, that's epic. I want to post this on social media, but before I do, I think that add some fun background music. Give me 3 different caption options, and then I'll have you post the video and the caption. So this is next level Claude skills right here. Music generation, image to video merge in parallel. Now he's going to generate music. If you didn't know, Claude can generate music too, and it is ready. And now we're merging the image into a video. And we've just sent 2 prompts. Okay, we see again, the video is done. Here's the link. We should be getting our captions next. First, let's check the video out. Yeah, great. Perfect. I like that. Let's go ahead and post it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So now we'll see if Claude can get it done. And we're live on all 3. This is epic. You know, let's take it one last step further. Hey, let's do one thing and let's create a new Google Sheet and let's start tracking what we have posted today. And going forward, we'll track all the posts. So now we'll get Claude to do some more work. And this time he'll create a Google Sheet. Done, live. This is just incredible to me. All done. Here's the full rundown. All 3 of today's posts are logged. Let's click on our tracker. Boom, look at that. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, it's so good. I love it. Just like that, we are all set. We generated an image. We generated music, merged them into a video. We had Claude write us 3 different options for captions, and we posted the content on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, all inside of Claude. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.